Hello, so I asked in poll that which video should I make, and I honestly thought you guys will vote for this one. But here we go. It's okay, I'll make next time the other one because I really wanna make that. Well, let's start with today's video. So I will gender blend Gojo, Dazai and Aqua. And tell me if you want me to gender blend girls. I hate drawing voices, but I can do this for your entertainment. Well, let's get started with today's video, which is gender bending anime voice. So our first contestant is Gojo from Jujutsu Kaisen. So first of all, I'll just make a rough sketch and I'll do line art. Previously I hated doing line art and sketch. I just wanted to make perfect anatomy in first try, but I learned that's not possible. So I started doing in first sketch, then cleaning up sketch, then cleaning up that sketch again, and finally getting a good line art. Well, after that I'll put these base colors. As you can see, I usually use light base colors, and then I fill in some different color variation in the hairs, because as you can see in my art, it's the hair which is like unique. I want good hairs, like I don't know, a good pretty hairs with pretty colors. I just love how it looks, so I wanted to do that, and yep, that's what I'm doing. So my main focus is always the hair, and I wanna put in as many as color variation I can. It's still sticking to the base color, the main color of the character, and yep, it comes with practice. And after learning some color theory, I learned how I can do that. And yep, you can see there are many different colors in the hairs, and it really looks good together. It's not like it's overwhelming the whole drawing, it just looks good. And after the hairs were done, I painted the skin and did this orangey skin color. Like, it just make the skin look more vibrant and more realistic. There are so many bounce light coming from the other directions too, so we gotta keep that in mind. And yep, after all this thing, the skin is ready, and now onto the clothes. I still have a lot to learn about the clothing. I mean, I get little lazy when it comes to clothes and learning folds, because I tried a lot, but I could not succeed in the clothings, and you can say I kind of gave up, but I'll still keep on trying. Well, our first drawing of Gojo as a female is done, and here's the final result. I really love how it turned out. Tell me, what do you think? And our second contestant is Dazai. Let's gender bend him. I mean, there are already so many gender bend art of Dazai, and they all look so amazing. And I wanted to capture the real expression of Dazai really well. Like, Dazai have this smirky kind of look on his face all the time. Like, he's smart, he knows everything, and like everything is going according to the plan. I'm the greatest, I'm the best, and that smirky look, I really wanted to capture that. And that's why I worked very hard on his, or should I say her, expression, so that it will look like, yes, it's exactly Dazai. And after a lot of hard work, I think I actually succeeded. I'm really not good in doing expressions, because I don't know, my most of the drawings usually look expressionless, but here I stepped up that and tried to capture the expression right, because that gives the drawing real feel, like it gives the drawing soul. And that's why I tried so hard to get the right expressions. And yeah, after talking about the expressions, let's talk about the colors. As you can see, I did the same thing as I did in Gojo, color blocking the hairs first, and then just experimenting with things and seeing which color goes right with the atmosphere and everything, and so that it can match up with the original color scheme of the character. And I think I did pretty good in this one too. I usually use complementary colors and they just really look good together. And here's the final result. I hope you liked it too. Now on to Aqua, our third participant. Yay! So Aqua, huh? About him, I was really confused because his personality is kind of twisted, and I still don't have a clear idea of his personality, and I wanted to draw him or her, like exactly like what kind of expression he will make, kind of pose he will make, and then I thought like something, like he's playing his cards right, something like that. It was a little hard to decide on what kind of pose should I give him, like yeah. But anyways, I did it, and I'm not really so happy with how this turned out. I mean, he's should I say her or his? I don't know. Okay, let's call him her, him. Okay, him, her. I'm just an idiot. Okay, let's call him her. Yep. I loved how her hairs turned out, not gonna lie. I really love the colors here, the vibrancy here, the transitions of color from light to dark. I just love everything about it, but there's something which was little off. I don't know what exactly, but yep, there was something that was kind of off here. I think it's the anatomy or maybe the lighting. I kind of feel like it's the lighting because I'm first time trying out this kind of lighting and not a pro. So yep, I think it was the lighting. But other than that, I think it turned out really good. If you have any idea what was off, you can tell me in the comment, and I will really appreciate that because I myself don't know what was that, but there was something which was off. And anyways, other than that, I really love the colors and stuff, but still this is not my favorite one. Among all these three, this is my least favorite. But anyways, and I'm also running out of things to say. I mean, I feel like if I don't voice over, the video might look little boring, but you can tell me in comment if I should uh, voice over more or less. I don't know. Well, here's the final result. I hope you liked it. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked the end results and you learned something or you just enjoyed being here. And I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Take care.